You ready? You want to eat some food? What do you think? It's yummy!
Yummy.
You don't like it?
You like a banana one. Can
Okay,
I do it?
you can do a little bit. Go ahead. Just get a little bit. All right, good job, Vivi. Say open wide.
Okay.
Okay, Gavin's turn. Just do a very little bit. Did you see Mommy do a little bit?
Are you ready?
There you go.
Sure. Open really loud. Oh my
Come here, baby. Come
I
back.
think he doesn't want it.
Okay, let me try one more time.
Can I try it? With this off. With this off.
No, Pat, Gavin.
Can I do it?
Just spitting it right back out.
He doesn't like it.
I don't think so. I think sweet potatoes are a no-go. Close it.
I think you
We'll
like bananas.
He swallowed a good amount of that piece. Poor guy. Okay.
Here, but I think he wants some.
No, he's done. Okay, we'll try again tomorrow.
That's fun. Mommy, can we get a banana one? Yeah. Can we